Hi humans! Welcome to Tan Sri Dr. Yo Tiong Lei Library, Heriot University, Malaysia. Let's start the tour with me! Hi! So this is our entrance on level 2 West Wing where your library experience will begin. Let's go! Here on level 2, you'll find our books and collections. We have a wide range of titles across all programs, which is perfect for assignments, research, and studies.
Most of the books in our library can be borrowed except for those tagged with green or orange. Green is a reference book, orange is the lecturer's copy.
You can borrow books easily using our self-check machine. Let me show you.
To borrow a book, scan your student card's barcode and place the book on the gray area. To return the books, just place the book on the gray area. No student card needed. For more resources, you can explore our online database through Discovery website at discovery.hw.ac.uk.
If you need help finding resources, system, library, and IT-related queries, our service desk is here to assist you. You can also email us at ishelp@hw.ac.uk or use your student portal to raise a ticket. Hi guys!
Hi!
In our library, we also provide printing and photocopy services here.
You can print, scan, and photocopy.
This is our silent study room, a quiet space for deep focus. Please keep noise to a very minimum. Shh.
Level 2 has plenty of study spaces with natural light and great views, perfect for individual or group study.
This library has 2 floors. Let's explore upstairs with me.
Here on level 3, we offer more study spaces. It's usually quieter with plenty of comfortable seating and bright window areas. We have 4 library study rooms, which is Bell, Maclaurin, Fleming, and Miller. Bell and Maclaurin room can accommodate from 1 to 5 students. For bigger groups up until 10 packs, you can book the Miller or Fleming room.
To book a room, simply visit the Resource Booker portal at resourcebookermy@hw.ac.uk. During your booking time, please bring your student card in exchange for the room key. Hello. Thank you. Just outside the library, we have the 365 room, a 24/7 study. Just a heads up, you will need your student card to enter the room. Come on in.
There is a mini pantry with a fridge, sink, and microwaves. This room have more seats and plugs, ideal for those who want to pull an all-nighter study vibe. There is also a silent PC room here. Printing service is also available in the 365 room.
Right next to the 365 room is the wish room. This is our dedicated study room, perfect for zero distraction and total concentration. Opposite the wish room is the group study rooms.
These rooms come with a table, chairs, and a whiteboard. Great for discussions or group works.
There are 9 rooms here and you can use the Resource Booker portal to book the room. This is our PC lab. Let's follow me inside.
We have 4 PC labs in total. PC Lab 1 and 2 are in the East Wing and PC Lab 3 and 4 are in the West Wing.
In the East Wing, we have a postgraduate room, but this room is exclusively for postgraduate students only. Let's go inside.
The library opening hours are always updated at the main entrance.
We are.
Information Services Team.
We are here to support you.
Bye.